Hey there, cat lovers! Ready to have your mind blown by some incredible facts about our feline friends? Grab your cat, snuggle up, and let's dive right in. First up, did you know that cats spend around 70% of their lives sleeping? That's right. If you think your cat is a bit of a lazy bones, it's totally normal. Cats are designed to conserve energy for hunting, even if they're just hunting for their favorite toy. Speaking of hunting, here's a wild one. Cats are capable of making over 100 different sounds. That's way more than dogs, who only have about 10 vocalizations. From purrs and meows to chirps and yowls, your kitty has a whole language waiting to be explored. Now let's talk about whiskers. Those cute little face antennas are more than just adorable. They're super sensitive and can detect even the slightest changes in their environment. Whiskers help cats navigate in the dark and judge distances with precision. It's like having their own built-in GPS. Ever noticed your cat's eyes glowing in the dark? That's thanks to a special layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum. This layer reflects light, giving cats superior night vision. So, those midnight zoomies? They're just taking advantage of their night vision superpowers. Here's a fun fact to share. Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on the back. This unique paw structure helps them be the agile and graceful creatures they are. And let's not forget those retractable claws, perfect for sneaking up on their prey or your favorite couch. Did you know that the pattern on a cat's nose is as unique as a human fingerprint? No two cat noses are exactly alike. It's just another reason to love those adorable nose boops even more. Lastly, if your cat brings you a gift like a mouse or a bird, it's not just being naughty. They're showing their love and appreciation. In the wild, cats bring food to their family. So consider it your cat's way of saying, "You're part of my crew." So next time you look at your furry friend, remember just how amazing they are. Cats aren't just pets, they're tiny, mysterious marvels of nature. If you enjoyed these cat-tastic facts, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more pawsome content. Thanks for watching, and give your kitty an extra cuddle from me. See you next time.